So you started your website, but you don't like it anymore as in terms of template that you've selected. So you want to change to something else. How do you do that? So first of all, click on this button up top. There you will see the photos and the website designs. So from here, you'll see that this is your website. Now, you cannot change the template of that website because it's different design, different elements that you have there. So you can just create a new website with a new design that you like. So just click on create a new website, click on yes, and you'll be asked to select a template for the new site that you're building. And let's say that you like something more like this. This is the new template that you want to start using for your website. So you can just select it, add a name to it, let's say website 2, and click on submit. You can obviously select the brand color, let's say the orange, submit, and just like that you've created a new website where you can start building in the same project, with a new design, because let's say that you like this better than the other one. So now you have the two websites, the website 1 and the website 2. So now if you already upgraded, and by default this one will probably look grayed out and be offline. So what you can do is it will be actually looking like this. Maybe. So this is still active and this is inactive. So all you have to do is go and inactivate this website and activate the new one that you just created. And now you have this one as your main website for the project. You can connect the domain to it. You can start modifying the way you want with a new template that you just selected. And the great thing is that you still keep your old website, because there you might have some information that you want to keep. You want to copy some different elements and things, and you can transfer them to the new website that you just created with a new template. So this is how easy it is to create a new design, a new website with a new template, and you can activate it and deactivate the old one. This way you can swap, you can clone this website, for example, duplicate it, build another version, test it out, and you can activate the different versions whenever you decide. So this is the beauty of having projects and the ability to create multiple websites in them.